This video is how to output PDF binders using Bates numbering as file names within pdfDocs binder. So I have my binder project and I want to output this into a new PDF file, and I want to use Bates numbering for the file names. So I can take my project and I just need to set a couple of settings in order to do this. So if I go to the numbering and more settings, this will open up my binder options and I can set the particular numbering that I'm looking for. So we do have a section under numbering sets general for Bates numbering. So you can change what the number you need to start on for this particular Bates numbering is, and any suffix or prefix, for example, having zeros at the beginning of the number, you can control all of those settings there. So once I've set that, and I can change formatting and number style, etc., I then need to choose where I may want to include this Bates numbering on the pages themselves. So for that, I'll move to the header and footer, and we can choose where we want to put this. So as we can see, I already have some information in the header already. So I've got the folder name, the word private, and then a folder letter page number. But let's also put a Bates number in there as well. And you can put this wherever you want in the header or the footer. But if I go Bates number, I'm going to choose the right footer for this and insert field code. So there's our Bates number, and that will be applied to every page. So that's now set us up with Bates numbering on the pages themselves and the formatting and numbering that I'm going to use. Next up, I want to make sure that when I create the binder, all of the file names are using Bates numbers. So to do that one, I need to go to binder type and then choose the type of binder. So I'm going to create a multiple PDF binder. So it's going to create individual PDF files for all of the different documents, and those file names need to use the Bates numbering. So for that, I'll select multiple PDF binder, Bates numbering naming. Next up, I just need to make the binder. So let's click on Make Binder. I'm multiple PDF binder there, and we'll click OK. So ready to create this. I just need to close down an old one that I had running. Let's create that there. And now it will go through the process of creating the binder. So it will convert any files that aren't PDF format into PDF. It'll apply the numbering set, so that's my headers and footers. It's going to create all of the bookmarks so that even though I have individual PDF files, it hyperlinks between them all, and then it's going to name them all with that Bates numbering file names. So if I was to go to a different folder section here, we can see that we have those Bates numberings there. And if we go to the actual PDF itself, and if we go to the table of contents, we can see that we've got our formatting. If we go to one of the files here, so let's go modify PDF, we can see that we have our Bates numbering. So 3, 4, and 5. And that will continue regardless of where we go throughout the document. So if we go to another PDF here, we can see that Bates numbering being applied. So that is how you'll apply Bates numbering to multiple files in a PDF binder. Thank you.